Day 24 of the Advent calendar. It's our last day. I'm sad, but it's also Christmas Eve, and I think it's a perfect time to talk about Assyrtiko. And initially, when I thought about that intro, and I was like, well, I don't know, is it really is Christmas Eve really a perfect time to talk about Assyrtiko? And it kind of is, because it's a high acid, medium bodied white wine with lots of delicious citrus notes, some salinity. You know, what are most Catholic people going to have tonight with their Christmas Eve dinner? Lots of fish. And Assyrtiko is just perfect for fish. Now, when you're in a Greek restaurant, it can be intimidating if that restaurant has a wine list that is mostly native grapes from Greece. Assyrtiko, Assyrtiko, Mavro, Mavro Daphne, all these terms are not familiar to us as at least American wine drinkers. But when you're thinking about Greek white wines, Assyrtiko is the one that I go to first. And it's really gaining a lot of notoriety in the wine world. The grape native to Santorini, done best in Greece, even though some others are cultivating it. Its reputation continues to grow. I see more Assyrtikos on wine shelves, but they're still not that easy to find, and you generally only see the same 2 or 3 options, at least in my region, whether I'm talking about Rhode Island and Massachusetts. Like I was saying, Assyrtiko is going to be perfect for a Christmas Eve dinner, but it also is perfect if you're out at a Greek restaurant and you need something to really start the meal with, because it goes perfectly with tomatoes and feta and salads and fish and seafood, right? Which is, you find a lot of that in the Greek restaurants. That is all I have. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Otherwise, happy holidays to all of you. Thank you for joining in on this wine Advent calendar adventure. We're going to keep doing it. I'm going to do it next year, and I want you to send me some ideas. Send me some grapes that you would like to see, and I'll start doing some planning and take the feedback from you guys, because I love you guys. I appreciate all of your support, and I will talk to you soon.